garden starts to grow. Nature's pure and kind embrace, washing clean the toxin flow. Trust and love, the ancient key. Nature's rhythm sets you free. Feel the shift, a gentle hum, microscopic life aligns. The work of healing has begun. Trust the universe signs. Trust in love, the ancient key. Nature's rhythm sets you free.
It is a natural right to grow.